Hey everybody, this is Vlogtober day 3, but this is Pregmas day 11. If you don't know what Pregmas is, it's just me cataloging the last days of my pregnancy. We are having our 6th baby at the end of the month. Today is our 5-year-old's birthday. We do birthday weeks. We've always done birthday weeks. So today we're just going to take you guys through, show you what we're going to be doing. Our daughter, 5 years old today, was supposed to be our water birth. What ended up happening?
She came before the pool could even get filled up.
Like, I got into the room at like 10:10. She was born at 10:22. So in 12 minutes, the time that it took them to try to start filling up the pool.
It's that red raspberry leaf tea, man.
It's that red raspberry leaf tea. I'm telling y'all, I know what I'm talking about with this stuff. That red raspberry leaf tea is like, you'll be in labor and giving birth in like 2 seconds. One of the traditions that we do that we were talking about yesterday is on your birthday, you wake up into a bed full of balloons with your favorite color. And we started this out with our first son because we were young and broke, and that's all that we could afford to do that morning of his birthday because my husband had to work and we didn't really have much. And so that kind of stuck, and that's sort of one of the things that as minimalists, you know, it starts out as, okay, this is something that we kind of have to do, and then you realize it is something that brings you joy. It's something that brings the person around you joy, and so it stuck, and we kept doing it, and now we've done it for the past 10 years now with all the other kids. Anyway, so this morning on the agenda, number 1, of the vlog. Number 2, blow up balloons. Number 3, get the prizes ready for the giveaway winners. If you're one of the people who won the giveaway, make sure you check your email because I emailed last week asking for addresses. I got addresses and I was waiting to get everyone's address so I could mail everything out at the same time. But I haven't heard from everyone. But either way, the people that sent it, you're gonna get your stuff mailed out. And what else are we doing? What does she want to do today?
Whatever she wants to do when she wakes up.
I know. She always changes her mind at the last minute. But for right now, she just wants to have her balloons, have some pumpkin pancakes, and I think that's all she's really said. But yeah, so we're just gonna do that, keep things really simple. And let me give you guys a bump watch right now. It's bump watch time. Time to watch the bump. And if you're wondering what's all this stuff here, it's because this is actually a nursing tank that I'm wearing. That's my bump watch for today, and we'll see you guys inside. All right guys, so I'm in my little office area set up. I'm having some breakfast, 2 bananas. While I'm editing, I'm eating some of that pad thai that I showed you guys yesterday from Trader Joe's. As usual, I've got my trusty red raspberry leaf tea here. Let me get to work, get this vlog posted, put my description, and I'll be all done. There's my breakfast. It's like sweet but a little tangy. Leave a comment below if you're a fan of pad thai. Honestly, I'm a fan of food. I've always been, basically any cuisine, but Asian stuff like Thai food, freaking delicious. Time to get to work.
Oh wow, he's so good at blowing the balloon up. See all your balloons?
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday.
No.
Where do you want to go?
To Florida and...
Florida?
That's it.
Oh, this just Florida, that's it? I got hugs from Daddy. Has she mentioned Florida this whole week? No. Does she mention it the morning she wakes up on her birthday? Yes. Welcome to parenthood.
Once it gets that yellowish color and nice and breadcrumby, that's how you know.
You made a duck?
Yeah. Yeah. Now let's get started on the pumpkin batch. My first time making pumpkin batch. One rule of being a chef: don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Pumpkin spice. Know it. We love it. We're about to use it. We're gonna put you in. Yeah, pumpkin spice really brings out the pumpkin.
All I do is taste it and make sure it doesn't taste like complete and utter.
These pumpkin pancakes. All I'm saying is, if you have not tried the infinite buttermilk pancake recipe yet, you are missing out. My son is 10 years old. He follows that recipe to a T. All he did was add in some pumpkin puree and pumpkin spice to that recipe, and it will change your life. That's all that I'm saying.
How are your pancakes? All right, you look so pretty. Doesn't she look pretty, Wesley? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You got your strawberries?
You got your strawberries? She ate all the strawberries.
Oh, okay. Does she have agave on there?
You have agave? You want some agave?
Nice and high, Rocky. Nice and high. Okay,
Nice and
never
high.
mind. That's it.
How's your food, Karina?
Good.
What you eating?
Pasta with lentils.
How's your food, birthday girl? It's tasty?
It's a little spicy.
A little spicy? Okay. So you tearing it up though.
I mixed it.
You mixed it?
I just put a little pumpkin puree and agave and pumpkin spice on top of it. But yeah, that's the cheesecake. Go ahead and take a little bite.
How is it?
You like the pumpkin on it?
Mm-hmm.
Take another bite, a big one.
Mm.
Mmm.
Tasty. Okay, ready for my piece now.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wesley, who's on the phone? Who's on the phone? Who you got on the phone? Oh,
It's a seashell.
oh wow, you got a seashell. And $1 in the seashell. What is it? Oh, you got some paper for your drawing. Oh wow, it's from Karina. Karina get you.
A purse.
Oh, it's a purse. Okay, it's so pretty. Oh, she drew you some things. Oh wow, so pretty. Oh wow, plenty of arts and crafts. Oh wow, some scissors and some pencils.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Wesley, that's not your seashell, sir. Wesley? Oh wow, so pretty. Put on the shoes. Wesley, you helping out? Ooh, look at those dance moves.
Over there is where the camera is. Rocky, take him over there now.
Don't touch the chairs. No, don't hold on to the chair. Yay!
Pregmas day 11 down. Vlogtober day 3 down. Birthday week day 1 down. Carmie, do you have anything to say? Did you have a fun birthday so far?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
That's
Friday night.
and getting all of those presents.
Getting all of your presents. Alright, so we're gonna be celebrating Carmie all week, and today was just the first day, and yeah, we just wanted to show you guys the simple ways that we celebrate without having to spend much money. And so the most important thing is that she had a great day and that there's a big smile on her face at the end of the day. Thanks so much for watching. Signing out.